Most YouTube videos don't fail at the end. They fail in the first 10 seconds. And most creators never realize it. When someone clicks your video, they're not committed. They're deciding. In the first few seconds, viewers ask, "Am I in the right place? Is this for me? Should I keep watching?" If that answer isn't clear immediately, they leave, even if the video gets better later. YouTube watches that moment closely. If people click and leave quickly, YouTube learns that the video didn't meet expectations. That doesn't mean the idea was bad. It usually means the opening was unclear, slow, or generic. The solution isn't being louder or faster, it's being clearer. Say who the video is for. Say what problem you're solving, and do it early. When viewers feel understood, they stay. If your videos struggle with retention, this is one of the first things to fix. I'm learning this while building my channel too, and sharing what actually helps. If you're growing from zero, you're not late, you're early.